Is deal sourcing the quickest way to replace your income if you still work full-time? Now, we've been running our sourcing business for just over 12 months and we have sourced a grand total of one deal. Now, I'll be honest, if you've got a full-time job, sourcing can be a challenge. Due to the nature of it, you need to do a shed load of analysis and a shed load of viewings, which naturally, if you're in work all week, it can be difficult to get through this volume. Not only this, but it actually takes quite a long time to build up credibility in your local area so people don't think you're just a flash in the pan. Now, obviously, we wanted to source more than one deal, so if you appreciate people being honest in property, make sure you drop me a follow. Now, it can take quite a while to establish yourself in property, particularly if you work full time. So what should you do? I would suggest getting really good at one strategy in one area. This could be HMOs, buy-to-let, or SA, and also get really good at raising private finance. Once you've built up your reputation and people start to know you're the HMO person in Leicester, for example, they will start bringing deals to you. This is where sourcing can be a brilliant bolt-on, because if you don't have the finance or investors to purchase these deals, you can sell them to other people. But to start it cold whilst working full time can be difficult to make progress because you just don't have the time to put into it.